So here we are going to make radish paratha, which is called Mooli Paratha. We love it. Me and my son especially, we love it. That's the reason I'm showcasing this paratha on how to make this one. So for this, I have already grated mooli, which is radish. Make sure to squeeze water properly in this thoroughly, because if it is not dry, you'll not be able to make paratha. So the one way is add salt right away when you are going to make paratha. So if you have already squeezed the water, made it dry but kept it for 30 minutes, then again it will ooze water. So make sure to squeeze the water again thoroughly. Now goes salt, around half teaspoon of salt here, half teaspoon of garam masala, around 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, around 1/4 teaspoon of, or less than 1/4 teaspoon, 1/8 teaspoon of garam seeds, which is ajwain, around 1/4 teaspoon of ginger, which I already, you can grate it along with mooli, or you can just cut it into pieces and put it, around half teaspoon of, I would say, green chilies, and then some cilantro on the top. So two ways to make it. Either when you are making your dough, add salt into that, because many people will say it will ooze out water. That's the reason they don't like to add salt into this. Add salt into your dough, or add salt when you are adding the mixture in the dough. So I will just mix it properly. So I have mixed the salt and spices, everything into mooli. So now, if you guys know me, you know that I will be using two rolls here. So make it a ball of 2 doughs. Make sure to use the equal size of the balls, and then put it in the dry flour. Just press it. Now we are going to use a rolling pin, belan. So let's pat dry again in the atta, whole wheat flour. Roll it. And now add your mixture. Again, if you don't like to add, you think your radish is oozing a lot of water, now you can add salt at this point of time. I literally add when I make my mixture, and then if I feel like it's oozing water, I'll just squeeze water again. So here I'm using around here I'm using around 1 small sized mooli. So if you are using small sized mooli, you can make 3 parathas out of it, 3 to 4 actually. So take another ball, roll you made, and then put it on the top. Make sure you are patting it properly with your hand, press it properly. Now we will use our dry flour here, and then roll it. So here paratha goes on the tawa. So gas is on medium to low flame. So let it cook for 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes on both sides, and then we are going to flip the side once this is done on other side for 2 minutes. So let's flip the side. And now I'm going to apply oil. So oil, ghee, butter, whatever you guys like. I like to use oil. That's the reason I'm using oil. So you guys would be thinking what I'm using. This is the oil dispenser which I found on Amazon. If you wanted a link of this, you can check my description on this video, and you can find more details about it. So I just flipped the side in front of you, and I added oil on this side too. Now I am going to turn the side. Look at this beauty. Isn't it looking beautiful? I will let this cook for 2 minutes on that other side too, and then it's ready to be plated. That's it. This recipe is so simple, and as I gave you a trick earlier, the best time to add salt is when you are adding your mixture into the dough. At that time, that's the best time. If you think you can manage the way I made it, go ahead with that. and try out this recipe. I am going to have this with dahi and some pickle. Try out this recipe and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.